How's it going, guys? Mcfgotmillk here, and welcome back to another auto video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you what to do if you accidentally lock your steering wheel and don't know how to get out of it. Because I've seen a few people, I've heard a lot of people say, oh crap, I've started my car with the key remote start or whatever reason, and I turned my wheel by accident, it's completely locked and I can't get out of it. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix that. Before we get started, I want to make sure you guys like and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more auto videos. Again, it's free and it always helps. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, for example, you start your car remotely. Wait for it to start up. Okay, mine sounds like a piece of crap. But obviously if you push your foot on the brake, it shuts the car off. Alright, car's back on. Keys out of the ignition. Now let's say that you forget, because you come from your house, you do your thing, you come back out, you think your key's in the ignition. Now let's say you go to turn the wheel. Uh-oh. Wheel's stuck. And if you push the brake, car's off. Now the wheel's stuck and you just don't know how to do it. What you want to do is you want to get your key, put it in the ignition, turn it on, and as you can see, I can't turn the car on. Show you here. Steering wheel is locked completely, can't move it. Cannot, you could see the veins in my muscle turning and everything, my tendons, cannot turn it. So here is what you gotta do. It's gonna be on a weird angle because I don't have a tripod for this, but you wanna put your foot on the brake, take the key, push it in, wiggle the wheel as well. There you go, it's fixed. Car's on again, you can hear it bing, bing, bing. Okay, crap. Wheel's locked again, car's still on. Take your key, don't push the brake, put it in the ignition, just turn to the on position, just unlocks like that. And again, since I didn't push the brake yet, I can take the key back out, car's still on, say lock it, again, keys out, brake. It's really locked this time, it gets even more locked and more hard to push as you go, and I'll show you one more time. Again, I need both hands, so again, ignition, turn, will not turn, hand on the wheel, so we're here, foot brake, push in, turn, wiggle the wheel, and it's free. If this happens and you're doing it and you're like lightly doing it, it's not going, make sure you put a little bit of weight and effort, a little bit of into it, because again, it is stuck, it's locked, and you want to use some force to get it out, but don't use too much force, you don't want to break your car. Alright guys, that's the video. That's how you get out of your steering wheel being all locked up, because again, all free, and you should be good to go. If you guys enjoyed this video and it helped, make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more. And as always guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.